Your Excellency, excuse me. Okay, sorry.
Banking without currency.
These developments ultimately culminated in a decisive intervention of the National Executive Council of the party and the 104 people in December 2025. Where a National Caretaker Working Committee was constituted in the overriding interests of the stability and continuity in our party. Today, however, we stand once again at the threshold of history. We are gathered under the compelling and forward-looking theme, which is inclusiveness, unity, and renewal. This theme is not a mere slogan. It is a strategic imperative. It speaks directly to our present reality and defines the pathway others and leaders. We are assembled here as one united political family to perform one of the most sacred duties in any democratic process, which is the election of a new